Hello, I'm Mr. AI. Today we're looking at one of the most fascinating AI stories of the moment. It's called MiroFish, and what makes it so interesting is this. MiroFish is not trying to be just another chatbot. It is trying to build a digital world. According to its GitHub description, MiroFish is a next-generation AI prediction engine. It takes seed information from the real world, things like breaking news, policy drafts, financial signals, research reports, or other source material, and turns that information into a high-fidelity parallel environment where thousands of AI agents can interact, remember, react, and evolve. In simple words, instead of asking one AI system, "What do you think will happen?" MiroFish tries something much more ambitious. It creates a simulated social world and asks, what happens when many different digital actors respond to the same event? That is a very different idea. This is not just AI for writing. This is AI for simulation. And the young developer behind it has become part of the story. Public reporting identifies the creator as Guo Hangjiang, also known online as Baifu. His GitHub profile says his primary programming language is Python, and that his long-term interests include deep learning, large language models, graph-based computation, and agent systems. Reports in March 2026 described him as a senior undergraduate student in China, and several reports linked him to Beijing University of Posts and Telecommunications. That university detail appears in reporting rather than the GitHub profile itself, so it is best treated as reported background, not a detail confirmed directly by the repository. What's also important is that MiroFish did not come out of nowhere. Before MiroFish, there was BetaFish. BetaFish was built for multi-agent public opinion analysis. Its GitHub materials describe it as a system that helps analyze sentiment and forecast trend direction by using multiple agents across large-scale public data. BetaFish's English README explicitly says that with MiroFish, the pipeline became complete. From BetaFish for data collection and analysis to MiroFish for panoramic prediction. That matters because it shows a progression in the creator's thinking. BetaFish looked at what people were saying. MiroFish tries to explore what people might do next. That is a big leap. According to MiroFish's own materials, the system can generate large numbers of agents with different personalities, long-term memory, and behavior logic. It uses source material to build a knowledge graph, then lets those agents interact inside a simulated world. The project also presents this as something users can explore interactively, not just as a black box answer generator. Now, why has this project attracted so much attention? One reason is technical ambition. Another reason is timing. In March 2026, MiroFish was widely reported as reaching GitHub's global trending list, which helped push it into the spotlight. Several reports also claimed that the project was built very quickly and that it drew financial backing from Chen Tengqiao, founder of Shanda Group. Those funding and speed claims appear in news and commentary sources, not in the GitHub repository itself, so they should be seen as reported claims, not primary source facts from the project documentation. Still, even without the hype, the concept is powerful because MiroFish points to a bigger trend in artificial intelligence. For the last few years, most people have known AI as something that writes emails, generates pictures, summarizes documents, or answers questions. But MiroFish represents a different direction. AI that models systems, AI that simulates groups, AI that tests scenarios before reality unfolds. That could have applications in policy analysis, business planning, public opinion forecasting, research, storytelling, or crisis simulation. Those use cases are not promises of accuracy. They are possible applications implied by the project's design and demonstrations. The repository itself frames the vision as a decision lab for serious forecasting and a creative sandbox for simulation. But this is where we need balance. A simulation is not reality. A model is not truth. And a forecast is not destiny. Even the strongest AI simulation can still be wrong because human beings are unpredictable, societies are dynamic, and small assumptions can change the outcome of an entire system. That caution is an inference based on how simulation tools work and on the fact that MiroFish produces modeled scenarios rather than verified future events. So the real significance of MiroFish may not be that it can perfectly predict the future. The real significance may be this. It shows how far AI development has moved. A young developer with strong technical interests in agents, LLMs, and graph systems can now build tools that once would have required a much larger team. GitHub materials and reporting together suggest that MiroFish has become a visible example of this shift, and that may be the bigger story. Not just one project, not just one student, but a new era where AI is no longer only generating content. It is beginning to simulate behavior, model interaction, and explore possible futures. I'm Mr. AI, and this is Technology Explained for Real Life. Segment produced and directed by Alberto Araujo.